Hi friends, welcome to Diya's tutorial. In this video, I am going to introduce about myself and my YouTube channel. Diya's tutorial. I started this channel out of my own interest, just to make videos on topic which I learned, and then slowly I started putting videos on about what is physiotherapy, the scope of physiotherapy, and the salary. So this is my first video with my face, and other videos just I used to do it with a pen and paper. So this is my first video and I really need all of your support, and seriously my friends have been a great support for me still date. First I was so regretting whether to start, how to start it, then if I start will they encourage me, or like that. I had many issues. Then out of that everything, they supported me a lot and they even encouraged me. So this is how I started the Diya's tutorial. So it's been 3 months since I started the Diya's tutorial. In the Diya's tutorial you'll find explanation for topics in a simple and easier way, and you'll also come to know about much more about physiotherapy. Not only about physiotherapy, I'll try to discuss about many other courses also, and we will also see about vlogs, like personal vlogs and physiotherapy vlogs. So I want your support guys, so please encourage me, and even if you need any topics to be discussed, you can comment below. And to say about myself, I'm from Chennai and my name is Dikshna. I like the name Diya, so I named it as Diya's tutorial, and I can speak nearly 4 languages, Tamil, Telugu, Kannada a bit I can understand, and Hindi, English, okay. So this is about myself. Yeah, I like biology, and then I started. I didn't write NEET, but I tried in BHMS and all. But then after that, I got into physiotherapy. I did more than analysis, which group, which to take. I even planned to go into engineering, but then I found out this is as my profession and my career. I choose this. No, in last minute of exam, when our friend teaches us, more things gets into our mind, right? So that is the concept of how I started the as tutorial. So think me as a friend. When I teach you, it will be more easy and in a understanding way, and it will always stay in your mind. So this is how I started, and this is why I wanted to start the as tutorial. So now I'm heading to my clinic. Actually, I learn here a lot. So I am going there for more than 6 months. More than books, more than theoretical part, practical wise, it is more important to see the patients, to know, to assess them. So everything is part. If you can join a clinic, learn just for your learning sake. Okay. So learning is knowledge. So thank you friends for watching Diya's tutorial. In another video I will show you my clinic. Bye, and don't forget to subscribe to Diya's tutorial.